Hey guys, welcome back. This is Thomas. What is your spending habit like? If you're always relying on your next paycheck, then this video will be going to help you. I will share a simple yet very effective way to break through the paycheck to paycheck lifestyle. If this is your first time here, this channel is about financial growth and tips that you can save more in Canada. So make sure you hit the bell down below so you won't miss any important information. According to research, almost half of the Canadians have no saving for emergency, and more than half have to rely on the next paycheck. Mainly due to two reasons: poor habits and accidents. Take a moment and think about your spending pattern. Where do you usually spend the money now? Back in the days, there are no smartphones, data plans. You did not go out and eat that much, and certainly not going to spend $6 on coffee or bubble tea per day. Most of the items that we bought are paid by cash or debit cards. Nowadays, do you have Netflix, Uber, Spotify? Do you do online shopping? Technology makes our life so much easier, but it comes with a cost. Majority of us will first spend what we make and save the remaining, and that's why majority will fall into the paycheck to paycheck cycle. So how can we mold it into save first, spend later? First, figure out what do you usually spend your money on. Then go to 4 different banks to open one account each, or same bank with 4 different accounts. The first account is your daily transaction account. All your daily transactions such as phone bills, rent, mortgage, insurance, or any fixed monthly expenses will be coming through here. I will recommend a checking account as this will be your most often in and out account. The second part is your entertainment account. This account is responsible for your food, drinks, hobbies, things that you buy from Amazon, and all the variable expenses. The best part for this account is you need to clear this account every single month. Let's say you have $2,000 for this account per month. If you have $200 left after the month, get yourself a nice meal to reward yourself, or even donate it. The point is do not leave any money after this month. Vice versa, absolutely you cannot get help from other accounts if you overspend it. If you spend $1,000 in the first 10 days, you have to figure out how to use the remaining fund for the rest of the month. And why is this important? The key concept is you cannot mix money with any other accounts. So I highly recommend using a debit card instead of credit cards because now you are not spending your future money. Third account is your dream account. This is for your midterm goals. For example, your car fund, wedding fund, traveling fund, or reserve to kickstart your business. Depends what you want to achieve in your life. This account can also be used for emergency. I recommend using a tax-free saving account for this dream account. The last account is your long-term account. This is designed for long-term goals such as retirement or saving for your kids' education. Compared to your dream accounts, this account can be invested into more aggressive areas as you have more time to play with. A very important rule of thumb is, for both saving accounts, you have to set an automatic deposit at least in a monthly frequency. If you can do it bi-weekly or even weekly, the better. Now, if you're young, no mortgage, and no other liabilities, you should be able to put 25% each to your dream and long-term accounts. If your family, mortgage, and other responsibility, try your best to put in 10% each. Saving is never about how much you put in, it's more about how consistent and how long you can do it. That's pretty much it. If you like it, please share it to your friends. We'll make smart financial decisions together. And as always, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next videos.